Hello, my name is Nelson. Welcome to my channel. Do you ever want to create one AI character to look the same every time in MidJourney? In this video, I will show you my fastest workflow. Give ChatGPT 2 images, one face, one outfit, get a precise prompt, then paste it into MidJourney for consistent results. Let's build it in under 3 minutes.
First of all, we need to find the face of the character that we want to use and also decide for the outfit. In this case, we are going to use the face of my character, Bonner. You may see her videos on my website. And this is the outfit that we choose today. Let's get started. Now let's go back to ChatGPT, add files, add photos and files, add the head, and then add the outfit, and then we'll type in describe the face from picture 1 and describe the outfit from picture 2. Turn it into MidJourney prompt. And now we have a complete prompt for our characters. So we copy and paste here. Before we hit enter, we want to add a reference image, which is the same image. We drag it to Omnium reference and then process. We have 4 different variations of the character that we just create, and you can see they are all pretty consistent. And of course, in MidJourney, you don't always get a very consistent result. In this example, you can see even though they are very similar, but there are some slight difference here or here. You can see the difference here. So in the next episode, we're going to teach you how to also only use ChatGPT and MidJourney again to create even more consistent character with more control. I'll see you in the next episode.
This is it. This is the 2 image method. Face photo, outfits photo, ChatGPT prompt combined in MidJourney. Fast, repeatable, and consistent. Now you can copy the checklist from the description. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and comment which character you want me to test next.